In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix NFS Unbound Stuttering and FPS drops. So first you'll open Steam and then find the game. Right here, you'll right click on the game, go to Properties, Installed Files, and then Browse. So here you'll right click on the exe folder for the game. Properties, Compatibility. Then you'll select these three options. Click Apply and then OK. Once you do this, you can just close this down and then here go to Steam, download, and make sure the download region is set to your region or a closer region. Then you can close this down, go to Settings and then Graphics. So here make sure you turn this option on, and down here find the Need for Speed game. If you don't see the game here, just add it manually and select the exe folder and then click add. And then it will look something like this. You'll click on the drop down menu and then you'll select high performance. Then turn this option on. Then you'll go to system properties. It will say something like view advanced system settings. You'll go to Advanced, Settings, Adjust for Best Performance, and then click Apply and then OK. Click Apply and then OK. And this should fix it.